Do you want to know how you can log in to your Truist Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Truist Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. In the Google search bar, search for Truist Mortgage login. Tap on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Truist Mortgage. Now, you can see the sign in option on the top right hand corner of your screen. Tap on sign in and you can see the user ID and password. Go ahead and fill your Truist user ID and write down the password associated with the user ID. Then, what you can do is click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your Truist Mortgage account. You can click on Save User ID to save your user ID in your browser. You can click on this eye icon and your password will be hidden as well. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, these are the two links you want to follow through to recover your password or change your user ID. If you still don't have an online account yet, go ahead and click Setup Online Banking and you can create yourself a Truist Mortgage account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Truist Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.